Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com. Your happy Monday pre-market preparations, November 27th. How was your weekend, everybody? And as usual, if you're here, say hi, don't be shy. Hi, David. Thank you very much for joining. How was your weekend, David? I hope everything was pretty nice, pretty quiet. What are your watch list for the coming week? How was your previous trading week? Any questions? Let me just check this, why this is not working. 1 second. Until more people will join us. Let's make this over here. Where is it? Chat box. Over here. How's the chat books now? Hi Faiz, long time no see. Rafael, thank you very much for joining. How was your weekend, guys? How is everybody doing? Hi Amir, thank you very much for joining. I appreciate you all taking the time to join me on this first live for this last week of November. Believe it or not, 5 more weeks. And that's it. 2023 is done. Over. All the mistakes we have done in 2023, during 2023, this is the time to learn from our mistakes, to be better traders, better people, better husbands, better wives, better friends. In 2024, we cannot change the world, but we can change ourselves and our environment. And I will stop. Hi Salah, thank you very much for joining from IDF. Please, keep safe. Hi Yaniv, how was your weekend? Salah, say hi. To end, much appreciation for all your unit that are keeping us safe. Thank you very much. Just DM me. Here is my Twitter. This is for you. Salah, DM me on Twitter once this live is over. I have a small gift for you. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Ah, we have a special announcement. My production crew tells me we have a special announcement. Do you want to see the special announcement? I have to show you. My production crew says I must show you this announcement. Cyber Monday today, Fibonacci traders, we have Super Cyber Monday. 34% off Fibonacci Traders online program. As you can see, we have feedbacks on this program from various people around the world. What do you get? 34% off. You have the English version. I will put over here. We have the Hebrew version. We have it over here. I know my camera is a little bit glitching. All you need to do, use this code at checkout. and you will get 34% off Fibonacci Traders Super Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday, Fibonacci Traders. What's going on with my camera? Glitching? I hope it will be better. And if not, this is our list of our problems these days. Glitched cameras, right? Hi Ingrid, hi Nadav, thank you very much for joining. And of course, this online program will gain you lifetime access for support, guidance, all Discord channels from me. So take your financial freedom in your own hands. Become a professional trader. As you know, I am a professional trader in the past 7 years. In the first 2 years of my journey, it was a very hard time for me. I learned, I spent thousands and thousands of dollars in research, learning, education, thousands and thousands of hours, YouTube, WhatsApp groups, and all this I give. This is all my knowledge that I give to you in this course. So check it out. And I will try to stop playing with the mouse. Hi Ori, thank you very much for joining. Nadav. Adesk. Hi Ingrid. Adesk. What do you see on Adesk? For long. Let's clean the chart. We have strong resistance over here. Support area over here. You want to go long, in my opinion, above 208 towards this gap over here. Or just wait for a weekly close above the 223. Basically, as you can see, Adesk is moving sideways since February. 9 months of sideways move. Have so many better setups out there. You want one good. If you still didn't see this video, my top stocks to watch, so check it out. Once this live is over, check this video. We have BKE. Long continuation above 39. Dutch Brothers. I want to see long continuation above 29.80. Coin. Long continuation above 115.50. Crocs. Long continuation above 95. Datadog. Long continuation above 113. DV. Here is Rafael. So I guess Rafael did not see my top stocks to watch weekly video because he just asked about DV. And look at that. DV on my top stocks to watch video. Long continuation above 32.40. HD. I want to see 309 holding and then long continuation towards the 319. KHC. Long continuation as long as we are above this 34.60 was a very tough resistance, broke up and above. Now let's see continuation up. McDonald's. I want to see long continuation towards, let's make Fibonacci a little bit more accurate. 279 now, needs to hold the support, and then next leg up, 286. Nike. Yeah, you need to watch it, Rafael. Nike, long, above 111. Riot. Once again, 12, very tough resistance. I want to see long continuation above it. Warner Music Group, long continuation above 34. DKNG, long continuation. Some kind of a retracement, pull back, retesting the 37 as support, and then next leg up. So we have total of 30 names. Check it out. Sorry about that. What else do we have interesting? Let's see. Futures. We have futures, 1 hour over here. Downtrend, this one. I want to see a break above this downtrend, blue downtrend, above the 45.60 and then 45.70, and this is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Downtrend on a higher time frame, uptrend on a lower time frame. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view of price action. It depends on which time frame you are trading on. Let me know, how do you feel about this chat box over here? How do you feel about it? Helps or not? Let me know. Let's see what SPY will do this week. Next week, last week was 2 hours trading week, more or less. Waste of time. Now, 453 needs to hold the support. Next leg up, all-time highs on SPY. Qs holding the 388. And as long as the Qs, you can take also, we have another trend. Look at this. The amazing. Can take it over here. Or over here. The amazing Fibonacci channels. And as long as Qs inside, between the two green lines, we are in an uptrend. You have also this white line that holds the higher lows since November 14th. And my camera, I don't know what's going on with my camera. Tomorrow, return to sender. Dow Jones. Here we are. Red line. Now 350 needs to hold before the next leg up. Next attempt to break up above this red line towards 360. IWM. Amir asking why all the stocks you showed are for long, not short. Because basically I'm more of a long guy than short, and the A+ setups that I saw are more for long than short. In previous week I also showed, go back 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, I also showed some short ideas. So check it out. IWM, let's see, this 181 area support. Now also all this area basically, as you can see, very tough resistance, right? Since it broke to the downside over here, September 20th. Once again, resistance long only above this area. USD ILS, nothing much. Still holding this uptrend line, holding the higher lows. What else interesting? Gold. Interesting. Trying to break above this area of resistance. As you can see, all this area, the 2010, 2008. Tough resistance now breaking up and above. But we still have a double top scenario. It all depends on today and tomorrow how the gold will close. We can take also Fibonacci. To the upside. Next resistance, 2063. So for now, we can also take this trend line. As we can see, this trend line, support over here. Look at this. The amazing Fibonacci trend lines. Trend line, support, resistance, resistance, next resistance. No need to guess. This area, the 2030 together with this blue trend line. What else do we have? If you stretch Fibonacci from the low to the peak of the last hammer candle on the point, on which one? A-desk. Again, back to A-desk. Leave it alone. Leave A-desk alone. Why would you like to trade something that looks like this? Why? Have so many better opportunities, in my opinion. You do whatever you want. And here you have also the broadening formation for A-desk. If it will go inside and above this blue line, then maybe towards the 2023 and to the 2030. But why would you go long on something that looks like this? Fibonacci or not? No need Fibonacci to see that there's nothing. In my opinion, there's nothing here. But it's only my opinion. Everything you see and hear on this video and in general on Twitter, Discord, or in this channel is for educational purposes only. Always do your due diligence. Never be biased. You look like you are biased on A-desk. Very, very unhealthy to be biased on a stock. What else? AEP. AEP. As you see, I have an alert above the 80. I want to see a break above the 80. Why the 80? I don't know. Why did I put it here? Let's check. Maybe I got wrong. I'm also wrong. I can admit it. Let's see. We have this trend line over here. Nice bounce each and every time. Now take the same angle to the upside. And, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading towards above last week's highs. We are heading towards the 83. How do I know? Because you can take Fibonacci. Also from here will be better. Here you have it. Above the 79 towards the 80, 81, and then 86, 80. Together with this yellow trend line, AEP. Thank you very much, Rafael. I will put, this is why I put above the 80. Thank you for helping me. This is why we do these lives. You help me more than I help you. And if I help you, just hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, family. And of course, we have this yellow trend line. Let's mark it in red. Higher time frame for the next major resistance. CHD. Nice. Now the 93.20 needs to hold. Next is 96. Hi Leah, thank you very much for joining. How was your weekend? I hope all went well. And as you can see also, CHD broke above a massive downtrend line heading north. And my camera is basically dead. What happened to the camera today? What is going on with the camera? I have no idea. Are we back? What is going on with the camera? Please allow me 1 second. Please bear with me. It happens when we go live. Please bear with me. Yeah, I know. Camera issues. Camera issues. Camera issues. You can only hear me. Now you can only hear me. The screen you can see, and you can hear me, right? So we are good to go. Can you hear me? This is the most important thing. Can you hear me? Let me know. No, it's something in the camera. It's not concerned the wallpaper. It's something in the camera. IONQ. Let me just hear. Yeah, well, as long as you can hear me, ladies and gentlemen, all is good. You don't need to see me. You need to hear my voice. You need to see. 1 second. We have time. No rush, right? Shiran, what do you see on IONQ? What do you see on IONQ? Let me know. Think that I asked you, what do you see IONQ? Nothing much, if you ask me. Here is IONQ. Thank you, Yaniv. Thank you. By the way, you are more than welcome to see and check if the super chat is working. No, I'm just kidding. We are here to educate one another, help one another, become better traders. IONQ, long continuation only above 1360. Short? Who wants short? You can go short on IONQ below 1180. What else? Shopify, super interesting for long continuation. Above the 7140 towards the 76. I invested my whole life in Shopify. I took mortgage to invest in Shopify. No, just kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, a little bit escapism. Always do your own due diligence. Risk management. Never risk money you cannot afford risking. Never. Never risk money you cannot afford risking. By the way, did you hear Twitter's podcast live? Twitter X live with Elon and Benjamin? What did you think about it? Okay, let's not. This is. What do you think? Not politically, but Twitter is holding lives. 30K people listened. Amazing. Amazing how many people can listen. And Twitter or X is holding infrastructure, is holding nice. Very nice improvements on X since it became X. What else? Let me know. What else? Am I here alone? What else do we have? Okay, futures still going sideways. What else is interesting? If you are day trading, SPY 65, long above 455 towards the 456, and then hitting this area over here at the 458. SPY on the 15 minutes looks like this. This is SPY 15 minutes. Let's do it without extended hours. This is how it looks. Consolidation. All the way. Let's see, can we break up and above? Then I'm waiting for a break above the 455.60 and then 456.40. Short, in my opinion, below the 45, the 454.30, towards this gap over here. Now all we need to do is sit and wait. Sit and wait. Let the market show you the way. Let the market lead you. Do not force trades. It doesn't matter what you think. Wait for your trades. Wait for your setup. Make the proper preparations during the weekend before market is open. And then trade what you see. Don't trade what you think. Trade what you see. Any other questions? Any other requests? Anything? Ask me anything. Be my guest. This is why we are doing this. So you can ask me anything, not just only chart requests. Anything that you want, ask me. About technical analysis, about the psychology behind trading. SPY. One second, what happened? SPY is in a critical. Depends what you call critical point. If you go to the weekly, this is how it looks on the weekly. Above this red line goes way back to December of 2021. Breaking up and above, we are heading new all-time highs, in my opinion, towards the 494 before the end of 2024? No. But if this week or the next week we close above the 460, we will see new all-time highs before 2024. When we will see 500? January. What else? Meta. Someone didn't see. Stock market weekly recap. This is how it looks. Meta on the weekly. 2 weeks ago, broke above this red zone. Doji last week. Now this red zone needs to hold the support, the 325, before the next leg up towards 353 and 383. Overall, on the weekly, Meta looks pretty good. Johnson & Johnson. What's new in Johnson & Johnson? You want to go long, you want to go short. And the weekly, basically sideways move. Since October, 5 weeks of sideways move. What do you want? You have also a nice double bottom scenario on the daily. Now you can take Fibonacci. Long, take it from here, you can take it from here. Long above the 153 area. And then you have all the levels to the upside as your risk management. If you're already long on J&J, in my opinion, 149.75, a little bit below it, should be your risk management, or use ATR as your risk management. And if you don't know how to use ATR or Fibonacci levels as your risk management, check the Fibonacci Academy playlist. 26 videos on how to become a better trader each and every day. Technical side and the psychology behind trading. So, any other questions? Any other requests? One last glimpse before on the futures, before we end this live, before I say once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I appreciate your tolerance with all these technical issues, but you don't need to see me to see how I think, how I look at charts. You help me, I help you. So once again, thank you very much for joining this live. If you found it helpful, educational, like, subscribe, and hopefully on the next live, you will see me. Neo, last minute Iran. Oren, Neo needs to, if you're looking to go long on Neo, needs to break above the 1970. Below 18, I would close this long if I was already long. You, last but not least, this is for you, Oren. For you. What do you see? Downtrend line. We need at least 2-3 days breaking above this downtrend line, above, in my opinion, above 30.2 will be a nice, and as you can see, look at this. Look how nice Fibonacci and trend lines work. You don't need any other lagging indicators. Fibonacci gives us support and resistance for future price action. Long, and I already have this alert. Crossing this area. Long continuation above this area. So thank you very much for joining. Hit a like, subscribe, share with friends, join our Discord. Check the links in the description below. Check the links in the comments below. Until the next live, until the next video. Stay safe.